No one girl can satisfy me. Me need more fuel for the lime green. Me no one girl can deny me. Me no see me change shiny but white free. Me a controller, young soldier, once over. Any man at this way I get slumped over. Not for scared of the thing, girl, come closer. You need to come over. Bad man, we no watch that. Even when me need to watch that. I got my gun on me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I will do sew-in with using clip-in. The hair I will be using is from Hot Beauty Hair, and I will be using their 20 inches clip-in and a closure of 18 inches. Pardon my voice, I am not too well, but I will try to explain a little bit in this video. And then you guys can hear it from my voice, the way I sound now. I can't explain throughout this video, but I will try to explain a little bit. If you have questions, comment in the description box below. Thank you. Touching the hair, it feels very soft. I will just go ahead and co-wash the hair. I will be using conditioner called Shea to condition the hair. I don't usually love to use shampoo on my coily hair extensions. I preferred using only conditioner. I went ahead and rinsed the conditioner off. You can see the hair. It feels very soft and shiny. I love the coils. And this is the shade I got. I will allow the hair to dry up overnight. The following day, I will just go ahead and do the normal elastic band sew-in. Have a lot of tutorial doing this method, and I will link some videos in the description box below. I will just go ahead and sew the elastic band to the closure like this. You can see my cornrows is quite rough, but I can make use of this. I will oil my scalp using Freedomstyles magic hair growth oil. I will put details of this oil in the description box below. After that, I will just go ahead and place the closure on my head. I'll just go ahead and sew the closure around, and I will be gapping the thread. I will not be sewing the thread too close to each other. If I am done sewing the closure around, I will secure the thread and then cut off the excess thread. I cut one bundle into 4. And now we just go ahead and clip in the hair. If the hair is dry, it will look like this. You can see the volume, how fluffy it looks. And then when I spray it in water, no leave-in conditioner, it looks like this. Very soft. And everything about this hair is bomb.com. And then don't forget that this hair is from hotbeautyhair.com. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. Everything I used in this video will also be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, you find this video helpful, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one.